Now we'll discuss about part 3. It is the easiest part. Here, this part will discuss about all of this. What is control statement, decision making statement, if syntax, if conditional statement syntax, operations, and some practical problems, multiple choice questions. Your mistake, normally people's what mistake they will do. All common mistakes will explain right now, and interview questions about this topic. Let's see what we will discuss next. First, control statement. What is control statement? Imagine the story. Suppose you are driving a car. If you are driving a car, while driving, you see a traffic signal. Once you see the traffic signal, you will stop, and red signal will stop. Yellow signal will be ready to start, and a green signal will move on. Like that, here you will see like red light. Now think, if light is green, go. If right is red, stop. If right is yellow, wait. Like that, the conditional statements also based on the condition they will perform the task. Decision making. What is decision making? Do something only if the condition is true. Once the condition is true, then the above statement will be executed, or else they will terminate. Like that, a real life example we will discuss about one real life example. Based on that, we will understand easy way. Imagine you are driving. Imagine you are going to college. Now we are going to college. Before leaving, how you think? It is raining. If yes, you take umbrella. If no, go normally, like without taking umbrella. The rain is falling on the outside, then will merchant should take the umbrella, or else you did not take. Like the if statement will be worked like this. If the rain is falling, the first condition is true. First condition means take umbrella. If rain is not falling, then else statement will be executed. This is the else statement. Like that we will explain. This is the syntax. If the condition is true, the first statement will be executed, or else second statement will be executed. Normally in the if statement, condition is true, first statement will be executed, or else no, they did not have output for that condition. Like we will see one small example. If your age is 20, if normally this is a variable, we will assign the some value. Based on the condition, if you taking one example, if age greater than is equal to 18, if your age is 18 above, then you will eligible to vote, or else you did not eligible to vote. This is the if statement. How Python thinks? Python అని మనకి ఎలా థింక్ చేస్తుందంటే, ఫస్ట్ ఏజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 20. ఇఫ్ యువర్ ఏజ్ ఈజ్ above 18 or above 30 40, then the Python score is age. The age is 18 above, then the person will eligible to vote, or else the person will not be executed, will not be eligible to vote. Like that we will discuss part 2. And in the step 2, check if the condition, if the 18, the number is 18, the number is equal to 20 or greater than to 20 or less than to 20. They check each and everything. If the condition is true, then it execute automatically, or else the output will not display. If the condition is, right now the condition is true, that's why the output will be executed, eligible for voting. Right now we will discuss one more example. Example 2, age is equals to 15. If age greater than is equals to 18, then eligible, or else Python ask greater than, false. So 15, the 15 is greater than 18 or less than 18? Less than 18, so it is false. So nothing happened, the output or no output. Already I told you, if the condition is true, then the output will be executed, or else the output will not be displayed in the output session. The example 3, if the marks is 80, if marks greater than 35, then pass, or else less than 35 is fail definitely. So right now the marks is 80, because 18 is greater than 35, he is pass, the output is pass, they will display the output is pass. Then we will discuss in example 4, temperature is equal to 42 degrees. If the temperature is greater than 40, then is very hot, or else less than 40 it is medium, if below less than 10 it is very cool. Like that the condition statement will use like this type of ways in the DSA questions, or else in a government competitive exam. That time the condition statements or looping statements, they must and should ask these types of questions. So listen carefully. Important concepts. And if condition only executed when the condition is true. If condition, when the condition is true, then it will execute it definitely, or else the output will not display anything. So right now we'll discuss by comparison operators. Comparison operators is the operators like comparing to AB. In case if you take AB, this is the 10, this is the 5. We'll compare. Compare means equal. 10 5 are equal, 10 5 are less than or greater than, like that we'll compare. Any two variables data will compare each other, that is called comparison operator. Like if you right now I will change something, a is equals to 10, this is true. In case the value is 7, the operator is greater than, then 10 is greater than 7, the condition is true. In case 10 is less than 7, this area will confuse, listen carefully. 10 is less than 7, 10 less than 7, 10 and less than 7 are called. So 10 is a greater than 7. 10 is greater than 7, 7 కంటే 10 ఎక్కువ. So like that we'll learn it. Then results is true. Okay, like this way. In case the condition is, if you take double is equals to 10 is equal to 7, is it true? Not. The condition will be automatically, the condition will be false. This way we will learn it. Then one more example, 5 greater than 10, it is correct? False, because of 10 is greater than 5. Like if you here will enter 10, here we enter 5, 10 is greater than 5 కంటే 10 ఎక్కువ. So yes, like this way we will learn it. Then the condition will be 10 is greater than 5, the condition will be true. This way you learn it. Then activity, a small activity we'll do and we'll understand little bit better. Suppose if your age is 22, Python ask, the Python means the coding will ask 18 equal to 18 or above 18. In case equal to 18 or above 18, then the condition will be true. So print the statement, or else they will not print the statement. Suppose your age is 12, Python asks your age is below 18 or equal to 18. The condition is false, because of the condition will below or equal not, there is not equal to 18. So that's why the condition will be false. So then if then we will solve some multiple choice questions. Then we will understand in a easy way which keyword is used for decision making. Decision making, which keywords we will use for while, if, print. Which statement we use for decision making? A is for, B is while, C is if, D is print. Tell me. C, because of decision making. If always take the decision. If it is correct, then it is good. If it is not correct, they will not be they will not be executed. Then one more question. Second question. Age is equal to 22. If the age is greater than 18, then print adult. Right now the age is how much? 25. So 25 is a greater than 18. So we will execute it. What is the answer for this? B, because of he is adult, because of 18 above. So this way. Then one more question. Age is equal to 15. If age is greater than, the age is greater than, they did not have enough for his age is 15, not 18, not above 18, because it is false. Though that's why he will not be able to eligible the vote. Then one more question. Then practical programs. The practical programs means if the program one check positive number is equal to 25. If number is greater than 0, in case greater than 0 is possible positive number, less than 0 is negative number. This way, if I give one example, based on this you will write 3-4 examples. Less than means equal to, in case equal to neutral, less than less than means negative, greater than means positive. Like that we will practice some more problems and you will understand in a better way. Then problem 2, check eligibility for driving. If age is 19, if age is greater than right now your age is 19, now we will write the code something. If means condition, age is equals to greater than, in case your age is greater than 18, then print driving allow. Less than 18, driving you will not able to drive the cars, bikes, etc. because I did not have license. Then program 3, check password length. Password equals to Python 123. If length, you will find out the length of that particular password by using len function. Len function is used to length, how much length of this particular string, like that they will understand. So if length password is greater than is equals to 8, in case your password is greater than is equals to 8, then it is strong password. If password is less than 8, then it is a weak password, like that you will understand. Then normally so many people are commonly do this type of mistakes. Right now what type of mistake the users will do, right now we'll discuss each and every mistake. If age is equals to greater than 18, Python gives syntax error. Because why? Means the colons will not be, some people did not give these colons. This colons is must and should. This is the indentation. If you colons will be give, they take 4 spaces. Then in this area you write any type of code, it is applicable for this if statement. So compulsory you must and should mention the colons. Then indentation means, already I will explain, the if you enter these colons, then automatically 4 tabs, 1 tab space they will be applicable. That is also problem. In case if you write this type, then it is wrong. They will maintain these 4 spaces in this 4 by using these 4 spaces. Then the if statement will be applicable for this print in these statements. In case if you write to second statement, third statement, these all statements is applicable only if statement. Right now we will discuss about interview questions. What is if statement? So many interview HRs ask these type of questions. Listen carefully. If statements is a execute block of code. Specific condition is true. If the condition is true, the if statement will be executed. Then indentation used applicable for the particular condition of particular statements. Indentation is the Python belongs to block. ఒక బ్లాక్ దాని కింద ఆ ఇండెంటేషన్ ఇస్తే ఆ బ్లాక్ అప్లికబుల్ అవుతుంది అనేసి చెప్తున్నారు. సో దాన్ని బట్టి ఒకవేళ ఇండెంటేషన్ అనేది ఇవ్వకుంటే ఆ కోడ్ అనేది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కాదు, మీకు అనేది చాలా ఎర్రర్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేది చదవండి. ఇండెంటేషన్ టెల్స్ పైథాన్ దట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఇఫ్ బ్లాక్ వితౌట్ ప్రాపర్ ఇండెంటేషన్ పైథాన్ అరైజ్ అండ్ ఇండెంటేషన్ ఎర్రర్. ఒకవేళ ఇండెంటేషన్ ఉంటే పైథాన్ అనేది ఇండెంటేషన్ ఎర్రర్ అనేది ఇస్తుంది. సో వాట్ డస్ ఎ కండిషన్ ఎవాల్యుయేట్ టు? ఎ కండిషన్ ఎవాల్యుయేట్ టు either true or false. Condition means if the condition is true, then the statement will be executed. If condition is false, else block will be executed. So summarize. Now we will summarize each and every topic. You will learn control statement and decision making, if statement, syntax, comparison operator, how Python execute and if statement, practice programs, multiple choice questions, common mistakes, interview questions. Everything will be discussed in this video. Then in case if you have any doubts right now, mention the comments, whatever it may be. Mention your comment if you have any doubts about this topic, then ask me. I will explain in detail. Thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry for in case any English communication mistake for this topic. Sorry for that, because of I am a beginner in the communication. So thank you so much for watching this video.